Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you will be fine. As we know, already we have done the concept of comparison of different numbers. So today we are going to do the concept of different numbers comparison from this number line. Look at the number line. The number closer to 0 is smaller. As we move away from 0, the number becomes greater. Let's take numbers like 4 and 6. 4 is closer to 0 than 6. So 4 is smaller than 6. So we write it as 4 is smaller than 6. At the same time, 6 is far away from 0 than 4. You can check this from the number line. So 6 is greater than 4. We write it as 6 is greater than 4. Let's do this exercise with the help of this number line. First one is done for you. Like 5 and 7, two numbers are given. As we can see from the number line, 5 is closer to 0 as compared to 7. 7 is far away. So 7 is greater and 5 is smaller. Next, 6 and 1. 6 is far away from the 0 and 1 is closer to 0. That's why 6 is greater than 1. Next one, 3 and 5. 3 is closer to 0, so it's smaller. 5 is far away from the 0, so it is greater. Another, 9 and 3. As 9 is far away from the 0 and 3 is closer to 0, so 3 is smaller and 9 is greater. So we put the sign 9 is greater than 3. Next one, 2 and 3. We can see from here 2 is closer to 0 as compared to 3. 3 is away from 0. So 3 is greater than 2. So we put the sign 3 is greater than 2. Next one, 7 and 4, two numbers are given here. Check from the number line. 7 is away from 0 and 4 is closer to 0. That's why we put the sign 7 is greater than 4. Next one, 5 and 1. 1 is closer to 0 and 5 is far away from 0. That's why we put the sign 5 is greater than 1. Next, 3 and 7. 3 is closer to 0 as compared to 7. 7 is far away. So that's why 7 is greater than 3. Next one, 2 and 7. 2 is closer to 0 and 7 is away from 0. That's why we put the sign 7 is greater than 2. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you. Have a nice day.